Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update. Today we bring you two very important stories for South Sudan. First, the ongoing trial of Dr. Machar and warning from his defense lawyer about turning the case into politics. Second, we are going to talk about the challenge facing the National Constitutional Review Commission, lack of fund and growing insecurity that threaten the constitution process. Today we will explain both stories in simple words. We will give background, we will hear what was said in court, we will look at what comes next. We will also explain why these matter for South Sudan. Stay with us. This is Changfied. Let us begin. Before we proceed, please, I would like you to tip the channel by subscribing, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Top headline today, defense lawyer Gary Raimondo told the court that prosecutors must act as Minister of Justice, not as political agent. He told judge to protect fairness and truth. In the second story, Dr. Riang Yedor, chair of the National Constitutional Review Commission, say the commission has not received government fund. The commission must now depend on partners to start public consultation in part of the country. These two stories affect justice, rule of law, and the future of South Sudan. We began with the trial in Juba. Dr. Machar, the suspended first vice president, faced charges linked to a violent event in March 2025 in Nasser. The prosecution said many civilians were killed in a planned military action. The charges are serious. The country is watching. People talk about politics and justice. Many families still mourn. This trial is not only legal, it is also political and emotional. That is why what happened here mattered to everyone in South Sudan. The Special Criminal Court is hearing the case in Juba. The court has 3 judges. The trial has moved through early step. Lawyers from both sides are preparing arguments. The defense said, the case has political motive. The prosecution said it seeks truth and accountability. The court must find the fact and follow the law. We will explain what a prosecutor must do. We will also explain what defense said in court. We will show how this trial can affect national healing and the rule of law. On Monday, Dr. Gary Raimondo spoke to the judges. He spoke with care and a strong word. He told the court that the prosecution must not act as a political tool. He said a prosecutor works for the state and the people, not for a political party or an individual. Dr. Raimondo used plain words. He said the prosecutor must focus on truth and fairness. He warned it against chasing a conviction at any cost. He reminded the court about the law and the role of the prosecutor. He said that the duty of the prosecutor is to collect and present evidence that is fair and legal. He told the judges that evidence must be credible. He said credible evidence must be believable and collected according to law. He warned it against using evidence that was taken illegally. He warned it against forcing evidence to fit the story. He said justice should be free from pressure from media, politics, or public anger. Dr. Raimondo also reminded the court about a wider duty. He said prosecutors and judges act not only for people who live now, but for those who came before and for those who will come later. He asked the court to protect the legal system and the future of the nations. Let us explain simply. A prosecutor is like a public servant, right? We must have the court find the truth. The prosecutor must not try to win a case for the sake of winning. The aim is to see what really happened. If the prosecutor hide fact or use bad evidence, justice will fail. The defense lawyers stress that the court should not become a place where politics decide who is guilty and who is not. In countries where court become political, people lose trust. If people lose trust in court, the rule of law weaken. That can harm peace and security. Uh, what is good evidence? Good evidence is proof that is clear and reliable. It is proof that is collected by legal method. For example, witness statement taken freely are good. Record taken with permission are good, but proof taken by force or without proper step may be rejected by a court. The defense said it will challenge some evidence. The defense will argue that some document or statement are not reliable. The defense may say the investigator used the wrong method. The court will decide. The court will decide which evidence is allowed and which one is not. This stage is important legal rule about evidence protect the accused and protect fairness. If the court accepted bad evidence, the trial will be weak. If the court rejects illegal evidence, that trial will be stronger. We must not forget the people behind every court case are families who lost loved ones. There are people hurt by violence and loss. There are also people, who worry that they will be blamed without proof. The law must protect both the victim and the accused. We remember the families in Nasser who lost loved ones. We remember the injured, the children, the parent. Court can help heal when they are fair. But if court are unfair, pain will grow. That is why this trial matter beyond the courtroom. The trial has drawn many reactions. Some political leaders call for swift justice. Some say the accused must be punished if guilty. Others worry about fairness and fairness for all citizens. Civil society group call for a fair process. Human rights group ask for a full and open investigation. International partners are watching with concern. People share report on radio, social media, and in gathering. Some reactions are calm, some reactions are angry. The court must hold steady and follow the law while the country talk about the case. The trial will continue on Wednesday. The prosecution plan to present its first witness. This witness will tell what they saw or what they know. The defense will test those witnesses' stories. Lawyer will ask questions. The judge will decide how to handle objections. Expect the defense to challenge how the investigation was done. Expect debate about who can be called as an eyewitness. Expect, legal fight over document. This fight can take time. Trials are slow when evidence and fairness are at stake. But this careful work matters for justice. This trial shows the fragile balance between justice and politics in South Sudan. If courts are fair, people can trust the rule of law. Trust builds peace. If courts are seen as tool of power, trust break. When trust break, the path to peace become harder. A leader and citizen must protect institutions. Judges and prosecutors must follow the law. Politicians must respect the court. People must accept court decision. If the process is fair, this is not easy. It takes time and courage, but it is the only way to build a country where law matters more than power. During the court session, many people noticed something. The prosecutor spoke only about the killing of SSPDF soldiers when they clashed with the Nuer army in Nasser. The prosecutor described the losses on the government side, but did not speak about other painful events that civilians remember. Nuer civilian victim told us that the prosecutor never mentioned the helicopter that was used against their villages. They said chemicals were poured on Nuer civilians. Children, mothers, and elders were burned alive. Both Ugandan force and the SSPDF were accused of trying to wipe out Nuer civilians in Nasser. The victim said, "We lost our people, we saw children die, we saw mothers and old people burn," but in court, the prosecutor talked only about SSPDF soldiers. They never talk about us. Some of these civilians also say they believe Dr. Machar is being blamed only because he is Nuer. They feel that the charges are political, not fair. They see the trial as one-sided, where only the suffering of soldiers is told, while the suffering of civilians is hidden. These voices of victims are important. They show another side of the story, a side that is not being hit inside the courtroom for the trial to bring peace and healing. Many say both sides of the suffering may be recognized. Justice must speak for all who suffered, not only for a group or not only for the government. In Juba, the National Constitutional Review Commission has the task of preparing a permanent constitution for South Sudan. A constitution is the main law of a country. It says our power work, our leaders are chosen, and our rights are protected. A good constitution can help the country run well and stay peaceful. This is according to the report that constitution process under threat in Juba. You know, this is what they say. The commission planned public consultation and civic education across the country. The aim was to hear people's view. The commission wanted to include voices from all states and communities. The people should help shape the rule that will govern their life. The commissioner has an 18-month timetable. It hopes to finish a draft before the end of 2026. The constitution is linked to national election and to the peace process. If the constitution is delayed, the whole process of election can be delayed too. Dr. Yerdor, chair of the commission, say the government has not released the requested fund. The commission had planned to start a public work in March without government money. Those plans stalled. To continue, the commission turned to partner. The United Nations Development Program and other groups agreed to help. These partners offer money, training, and technical support, but relying on partners is not the same as having stable government support. Partner can help start work, but the country must lead and fund its own process if it wants long-term success. While lack of fund means staff cannot travel, civic education cannot reach remote areas. People in many states may not hate that put the whole process at risk. Here, public consultation means listening to people. The commission planned to send team to town and villages. Team would explain the basic question: how will power be shared? How will local leader be chosen? How will the right of women, youth, and minorities be protected? People would discuss and offer ideas. Civic education helps people understand the choices. Without education, public consultation may not be meaningful. People must know the issue to speak clearly. The commission had prepared training workshop to prepare team for this work. Now, with limited funds, only a few states can start these activities. The commissioner has chosen 4 states, began work with the Eastern Equatoria, Lake, Western Barghazal, and Northern Barghazal. These are the first place for pilot consultation with partners' support. Why does this matter though? A permanent constitution set clear rule for government. It can prevent power from being used unfairly. It can offer right and protection to all people. It can help make election fair. Without a constitution, key law and institution remain uncertain. A delay can create political tension and raise doubt about the peace process. If the constitution process fails or slow too much, election may be postponed. Postponed election can create anger and uncertainty. Political groups may lose faith in the peace process. Violence could rise. That is why many actors call for strong support for the commission. At the same time, rushing a constitution is not wise. A constitution made without wide consultation may lack legitimacy. The commission must balance the speed and quality. This requires both fun and security. Chana na me chana jeling anwale katin kon chari an lat na bana je tuka men yam bana ke lat bukon ka summarize ken dialti ka tungnat chana ngaji nu anwale cha election cha je lat sorry cha look cha je tuk rei wecha ka Juba. Okay, cha first by President Dr. Machar cha je nang waluk chi kon dialenen chana jenen but take a challenge is teach it to work and Guatemala. A red letter to Bana right Kui Dr. Machar and a banyo right challenges Kui National Constitutional Review Commission Tadan Kalat Jen go chikatel fun Tadan weekend and Mekan Constitution Kana Kontuk dong there election there just told K dong the election they cap chunkina de won and wale Keriti to Bokon link to Kon Lat Corodian. Chana je to kamana chi to re weke Juba Dr. Machar Ramadan cha kapchong kirma yadit no jen an wale chala do jen cha duir ka dial cha kalat duir ko ne chitu ko ni ke tai dan cha yen ka je ke ma ke paidok rai wicha ka do be dan shi ko to rai wi knasir chi content konen cha lat bo ne ka gwad dan cha na ka ngach no chi prosecution ni kala do ne ite ke ji wi te cha nak la ne ken balat ken de ni cha de ni cha ga le cha ka nak gwad dan shi ko to tin ko re to kam je chen bor kan ne tin content la SSPD neme an wala chine dia ji ken gwi kan mada le ro ji kan nen chana te dia la kona chala chana ka ngach but take te ka ri la dan wen and dan sha ra cha jalatin kuma kirmi yadi ko la ne ko la prosecutor tin gang ka je ke tin gor ge no de rek ma cha de je ku yer ke te ngwana kan kalat kan right ka ta dan cha no sha kan ga je ta dan sha ga cha wang ga je tel mi cha latin an money and special criminal court chala de week juba she can natin content chung ka dar ma char kel she can go kwedjar batem ban ngai gwaso me la depend lo ye dung dar ma char she ku mi kirmi yadi che ka kwedjar la natin content tika court ke telat ka roi ni ka court che jogo no min me bia na bia ka look ke la one side it mi lokon kwikel ko jin ko shunkel ke kirmi yadi ka bia dor bia nan ka politic ci kala do na me che tok che jebunung che mal che jebunung re which ka South Sudan gwasen sharo cha je toktin Dr. Gary Raimondo Ramadan la mala defense lawyer ka Dr. Machar che judges che kala ro che ga jogo no nena jen gor jen wo biatike care ka jen luka mene che read dit che kala read dog che ne de kon te ka ko che ga jogo no nena che prosecutor che ga jogo no nena ngaje jen wo yen ladan me gwa ban mo yena nang biya je use la political tool and ta dan le jena jenne me chiluga me chabogwa chala do prosecutor mi rami mo let la lat prosecutor ke rami mo mi game ki mito gonya ram ko che dur che jelat che gwan wo be ram kel mo be je miet ka do mo shajen gorjen o sia luk cha binanga politic che jo mo che jelat jego ba politic ba jela re lugana me gorjen o ne ideal biga jalka do badana gorga jeno dena jalka je ba lan mi la tok but sure jin be individual chimen jikala ran go keni e pot kan je ramadan te gare je ramadan ku dial ko coordinated je kul joku en ngaji de karne ti ken ga jen kan kano kana sa je kul jono na mene mu biya je nan ka politic je nyod je no ken yene ko la prosecutor ken yen ngot ken yen kal calling agwa Dr. Raimondo jen cherieti man chekalat chela rone na prosecutor mandanda la de woba tok ba jogor ka be fairness per be jalat chaga jogono mo yen bini jen wo bia do bia lat ko do mi shajen lo sia ngot sia ka bel sia guru ngot chaga jogono mi la diena mo che bia magwa bala mi jek che ne kon batin te ka ko tin la jilok ba chaga jogono ne or yen bia ngot bia ka dilot sia be kairar ka ngot ko te ngwani shala ta kanin kon de right ka to branti ro ge jeno cha na ta cha kan na kanin kon na kana kane da kan machar kanin kon tin la nur wayami nok timet kel ke da kan machar ka joran kan lat ke je she Dr. Raimondo defalo ye dun reng machar chene kon te ka court ke jaji chega jogono na ebden kon ba non ko chala do te ke ebden ba non ke jen shanga dok ma ko na court case aja nanga shanga dok jo jogono ken all the evidence must be credible biga yiga talk biga ga talk biga lela te banget anyok do badan chia ko le ke je biya dil ko le gwan mi shanga je no ku kan wo ke local chana jogono na mo yen no ni tilai legal ke ti charlo ti shet kana me chebegwa chaga jogono ba chwa na chwa kep ko bom no wo biya kan nu ngi ka witness ni ka biya kep ko bom ne timo ti dong gor ko no biken ti chiren lud biken kala te ba wuj ba nang re rika ajane to chwa gor no biya kan nang gwa dana ba witness ni ba kan nu tin ajane gor je no de tok de laneje mila free ko chara den charge de pressure and wo jin ba raini ki balat michi roda lot ko ngai kon dial tin kon lat ko dien anu tandien ke chak chak ni chen man chana ngaje ni no ken wa chi ge evidence kan ga collect take a you they can jig WhatsApp take a you they can jig somewhere ka tung wan long to lat kan ka so ko jen wona me dong chika to ko ngai ke je me dan show the lat but evidently mo now yo ka tin ko lat ko den ngai ko no kan ne kon chiro jin walla la persecutory take me kan mention do badana chana cha na ga special need kon la gat man mani natin continent la need edit te cha wan ke kem ko li ne diality tel mi cha la de ken atel mi kan lat ke quidien but chiro ni kan long no kan ne kontila SSPDF jen ta dan kan lat ke je ko ngai kon of course gode dan chi ko to tin ke de ni kan hala ni nyone so chi ke de ni ka de ni ba chi ka la no de ke de ni ken de ni ka ta dan te ken ke je ka cha ju no na me chi ke de ni kan de ni but kan nok chit ko court and walle chi kan lugo no bi kan man chalat Dr. Raimondo ken team de tilla Dr. Machar different lawyer chi kan lugo no bi kan madalat ken bi kan dealing I don't know persecutor ken is like a public servant a jenechira kalad milena wejika but misha woko jen be talk be ban pinya cha gori o be truth be lat wa persecutor money wa chef de la persecutor come persecutor am bitike fair ke bitike justice and persecutor must tell the truth achieve mo biya kach kaine kiramadan go jen wona me mulat ke men lere she kume shi kana realaka lo mi ka realaka no bi kan neten contin lan wore kine kontika spelaigo ne re konan cha kep kel kere mo char bi kan gadel persecute ka do mi shajen mulat ke no ne me chin justice chi wuda me cha right ka tungwan long ne ka gwase dan te ka mi chor ko lat ka kurtum ka jodan kan la den wo te ka wud kel mi cha jogo no jin gorno bi ram me bi jina defend lawyer keje bi jina persecute che ko la no mi cha ka mi la ka chen gorno be jolat ko en kume mi yeni no ka jen bijilu ko ka che jo jin gwandu ne ke nyam de tok de ko ben wena dien che wona me tele tok mu deben a jen ta mu dan to won tama ano ne re konen cha kwan kane te mo tibi defend kume shima o lat kene wo bi South Sudan bo kel bi gen jen wo bi kene ti bi ken ke yen ko do bran bi ken ke yen ke ja kana me wa be South Sudan be je lo tre kori ki brek bu to ko jo ran chalat ke jen wa kene bi den dial tin chala de kume bi ken ganung ka chang ka diok ala mola chajo mo chaja la de ken re rajada bana right tin ken different lawyer panken we can some of these evidence we can ga challenge ki we can ga gujen wo chika tok bi karaja mo we can lat ke changa dan chin mo je to je but men tin gwaz men de ko na ngaje wodi re which ka so Sudan tel mi chala tok tin chit ka ta dan gwen re ma char chaje lukun tok ka ta dan gwe ke je chana wika National Constitutional Review Commission kata da nan chalat gwasame waken chikana togo no akani la constitution ke bongwon mandana gwara la permanent constitution akani take michi gamten akani gorka yoki gorka funding akani bashi ka right kani kontila ji went ji and ga jogo no by local partner by local you kana some funding but ikan kola do ne mun lo kana kona ne ko ken nyu the jeno take to ngwalong to cha we to ko niam ngono binetin kontila ji which akani content bulletin but mission bulletin ko algu ne ko ken nyu the jeno tel mu gwa mi bro de latin so gor kana ko de commission ki ta ndana de tidialti de gari alkeje de kalat kuma South Sudan ka jodan kalat ko de funding de kula tuk ka do dana de constitution de tuk je chala de Dr. Yang Yador jaram dana chair of the commission chikala no nena take kuma ko der funder ke release ko kan fund kan release chika yo kan release ajen mi chala kan tamen go yena kwa fund kwa ke release ko jen do badan and ba constitution ba kul tuke je mi shi jen shi constitution che ba wo nyam ka ta dan chikan lat ke je kan let kan mi shi na me ko gor ga jen one ideal no binawo ka ngade ba nei na ba ko tijrei which ka do badan de constitution no de je lat ke je wa gor ke everyone input ko be constitution bakule la fair no canadian ko run chablar no tege ne ri chabanjor re constitution ka kire bongon no mojen do bana gor canadian o be canadian be kan get involved and be kan mala jodian be kan la do gwato mon chicken no mo chicken lat can civic education people understand the choices civic education raje ke nyingwech raje ke ngot do bana na yen ke je de shonde re ngai ke je no mendien so na jen do bana gor kana mi chete ke yo de point the and constitution de nan ke sten dial but ken chicken kwai ni sten dang wan karodian no. Eastern Equatoria ke Lake State ke Western Bargazal State ke Northern Bargazal State akan go the kone jikan ga kwanyen wo ba constitution review ba jo latin ko ba na ba ko ti ba da state ngoda kan kene gorno banautin ko ngai kono no wete ke kore so kan lar bu ko ka panal ke ga jongle state ke other state kan ngana lat so ngoda chigala kan go dang wanti kan go the kone ba jo testin ba ne to ba ko tiketin kono gor kan no date ka constitution ajala constitutional review wana monon gor ga jeno bikan lat ba kan mitale yotel dom ba jalat keje ka ta dan kan lat keje kan permanent constitution mitale je cha queen kwar cha blood election will not take place with that permanent constitution and ngai kon la thok ka ta dan lat ke transitional government ga je cha gor ka diok maniam integration of force rewde that is me ku kon la ren wona en tama de bongon de jetuk de odien wo de net content ka kem de ka nyok mu loy ke re which ka South Sudan la net content ka rof ji kem ko kan net kon bukulo kwany kan voters you know anyok kan forces kan kala la integration of force ke fon de ka markel je de mo to ko tam ngai kon ko ja tre wi ka South Sudan kam kum esfilayo kene kum SSPD ngai kon anyo ngai kon no reng Machar ja tin re wi ke juba ana gwam lo je tin ka do ma cha to so kene DLT go je no chicken be pass ko de bu kor bi ga tin gwadan be ka do na lon ko don de civil war dara to bar gur ga jeno de mal dara ben ajen mo kunna mo lo bom lo no do ba lu reng Machar ne mu waji lu ga jek brig bu ka to mu aje luka gwa den che chwa gwa bi mal bet wano ban mo gor ka longo gor ka jeno de kir me yadi ne ka prosecutor sikan tichia evident shakan sikan ga de person ka jen time mo so le do bano bala mo gwa en changa dana ba lu ba nyo malat ke jeje otherwise be South Sudan be konen ba we je ga long ka tin konti lat karodian so chan ti diale shana keling ti ne yen diale konling rhino gwasmen wo dolan wala se weje kan wogwa ko kanto kan ladlet kan judges ni she kan ngada she kan lo she can all the objection iten chala lo tatin chala yeno de ngode weje she kan gara jakan dial kan kan ka power kan tel mi chala hybrid court kana constable ka South Sudan tel dom bay lat keje she kan look already na mone ka go je no look jen keje o she kan la ne violation already kan ite konte la jingone ke judges ko ne me che de men to no bran bo ngot te wona ga ke bran ka luko kan establish reng Machar wa take power long changa ni kir mi yadi che te ka lwan ko jendere je wo ko position dana teten a judge say no te wudi chal ka mi kir mi yadi take power te reng Machar te je immunity ani kir mi yadi ta de lwan ga mo ka jama a jen do badana chi ngak chi ga je ka jano no ko cha nyin ken dial cha ka look cha objection ken cha ka look ti kan gala no cha ka de lat and then cha la no be court be proceed a jen kul te ko opening ko cha da reng Machar kanet ko ken kon tike kel chaga charges ketin kon chaling gwad meni nyok men dire long alarek chele de long ka podcast ngen gwada na china de tin ke chike de tin ngane kon tike ke kin mi yadit dung podcast ban je jek ka ler de na banyo no ka gwasen be en biya ta mal bye bye.